Let me run through the most common trademark specimen mistakes I see. Mistake 1 is submitting mock-ups or digitally altered images. Mistake 2, ornamental use for apparel. If you're selling hats, t-shirts, sweatpants, etc. with your logo on the front, back, sleeve, etc., the USPTO usually considers that ornamental and decorative, not a trademark. And again, that's usually. You need the mark on a label, like on the back of the neck, a tag that's maybe attached to the sleeve, or use it in some other non-ornamental way. Now, sometimes having the name or logo on the front of the item does work as a trademark, like the Izod alligator. Yes, I am 1,000 years old. Size, location, dominance, and significance matter, and that's why you should consult a trademark lawyer to see if your use would work that way. But here's a hint, probably not. Mistake 3, invoices or receipts. They prove you made a sale, but they don't always show how your customers encounter your mark. Now, if the receipt or invoice clearly shows the services and the mark, it may be okay. Same for letterhead and business cards. These details make the difference. Mistake 4 is specimens that don't match the goods or services description. So if you applied for, let's say, legal services, your specimen needs to show legal services. If you applied for clothing, your specimen needs to show clothing, not coffee mugs. It sounds obvious, but when businesses evolve or pivot before they file their specimens, mismatches do happen. This is why it's important to make sure the goods and services description is flexible enough to give you a little wiggle room if possible. Mistake 5, social media pages and posts are generally not acceptable as specimens for marks used with goods. However, use of the mark in social media that shows the specific services being used in connection with the mark can be acceptable. I've had many client service marks approved using their Facebook or Instagram pages as specimens because the pages had their mark and described the services they were trying to register it in connection with. Every one of these mistakes leads to rejections, delays, and additional costs. Check out this week's main video or the full blog and expanded video post at kingpatentlaw.com. Avoid the legal horrors and keep rocking your IP. Ready to file a trademark for your brand? Book a consultation at kingpatentlaw.com. This information is for educational purposes only, is not legal advice, and does not form an attorney-client relationship. Now, for advice about your specific situation, consult with a licensed attorney.